This Excel spreadsheet has been created particularly for the Moodle assignment having to do with sampling distributions of the mean. The very first column, you do not want to change any of your values. This column has 100 data values in it, ranging from 40 to 60. And they are randomly generated, and then I locked them in. So if we scroll down, you'll see down in cell 101, the last data value. So we have 100 data values from 40 to 60. The next column has a number generator. And what Excel has done is it will create new randomized numbers to the right of each of the data values over on the left. The data value on the left will not change at this time, but the random number generator will change as I ask it to. Now we can ask Excel to change the random number generator in this column B by clicking function F9. And you can see that those numbers are changing for every time I hit F9. The numbers on the left aren't changing at this point. I'm now going to ask Excel to sort all of the numbers in column B from smallest to largest and link or also sort accordingly the values over on the left. So I'm going to go to Data, and I'm going to select Sort from A to Z, smallest to largest. You'll notice that now, over on the top left, is the number 52. It used to have the smallest random number generator to the right. This random number generator of 0.505672 isn't really the smallest now because the random number generator changes every time I do an action in Excel, but it used to be the lowest. Now I want to take the mean of the 9 data values listed here that used to be with the smallest random number generator. So I have created a formula for you that it's automatically taking the mean of the top 9 data values. If I double click on that formula, you can see it says average, and then it highlights the top 9. So it has a mean of 51.6 right now. Over in the green, I'm going to write 51.6. You can see that the random number generator has been changing for each action I take in Excel. Now I want to resort, so I'm going to click in column B again, and I am going to sort from A to Z. Now the mean of my top data values is 48.9. I'm going to write that mean in. I'm going to again go to column B and sort. Now I have 48.4. You are going to do this 30 times, where you come over to the random number generator, resort on those values, and get a different set of the top 9 data values from 40 to 60, and a new average of them. Once you have done this 30 times and you have 30 recorded data values, I want you to make sure that you save this. After you've completed finding 30 mean values for samples of size 9, you're going to copy this green selection over into StatCrunch. And in StatCrunch, I want you to create a histogram of the sample means. The goal is that you will see a normal distribution of the sample means, and you will also be able to calculate the mean of those sample means. Now the mean of the sample mean should be very close, if not exactly equal, to the mean of our original data values. So if I come back into Excel and find the average of these 100 data values, I can see that the mean of my population is 49.7. The purpose of having you take all 30 sample means of size 9 is for you to recognize that the distribution of those 30 sample means of size 9 have a distribution that is normally distributed, and that the mean of those means is really close to the 49.77, the population's mean. This helps us understand that when we take multiple samples of the same size at the mean of those sample means provides us a good indicator of what the population's mean should be.